Cancer, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page been a blessing to you. Check out my link tree. The link is in the bio. I do have a special gift for you. Your word of the day is the goodness of your soul and of your spirit, your aura, you're glowing. You become stronger. Things that have not served you, bad attitudes, resentment, guilt, grudge, doubt, you left in the past. You cannot carry those things into your future. So as you've been embracing positivity, motivation, love, prosperity, gratitude, that's why you are evolving to this next level. This is why you're being trusted with so much responsibility and gifts. I overcome my imperfections, polish my character, and feed on the positive. There's so much to feed on that's positive, that's surrounded by you and created by you. Thus, I free myself and allow goodness to manifest and become my source of joy. When you're in a place of joy and gratitude, blessings come your way. The sun just shines much brighter. The world becomes much brighter and much a better place to live once you have this outcome and you see life through this way. Through gentleness, I offer unconditional support, understanding, love, and to myself and to others. So love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.